Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you explore the world without draining your wallet. 1. Plan ahead. Research your destination. Off-peak travel. Look for destinations that are cheaper during certain seasons. Free activities. Research free attractions, parks, and festivals in the area. Create a budget. Set a daily limit. Determine how much you can spend each day. Track expenses. Use apps to monitor your spending. 2. Find affordable transportation. Flights. Use price comparison sites. Websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights can help find the best deals. Flexibility. Be flexible with dates and airports to find cheaper options. Budget airlines. Consider low-cost carriers for shorter distances. Local transportation. Public transit. Use buses, trams, and subways instead of taxis. Walking or biking. Explore cities on foot or rent a bike for free or low cost. 3. Accommodation on a budget. Alternatives to hotels. Hostels. Great for meeting fellow travelers and often cheaper than hotels. Vacation rentals. Consider platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo for budget-friendly stays. Couchsurfing. Stay with locals for free. It's a great way to meet people. Booking tips. Last-minute deals. Sometimes waiting until the last minute can yield great discounts. Loyalty programs. Join hotel loyalty programs for exclusive discounts and perks. 4. Eating on a budget. Save on meals. Local markets. Buy fresh produce or snacks at local markets instead of dining out. Street food. Try local street food for authentic and affordable meals. Cook your own meals. If you have kitchen access, prepare some meals to save money. Happy hours and deals. Look for specials. Many restaurants have happy hour deals or lunch specials that are cheaper than dinner. 5. Attractions and activities. Free or discounted entry. City passes. Consider city passes that offer discounted entry to multiple attractions. Free days. Many museums and attractions offer free entry on certain days of the month. Nature trails and parks. Explore natural attractions that don't have entry fees. Local tours. Free walking tours. Many cities offer free tours where you can pay what you wish. Volunteer opportunities. Some programs offer free accommodation or meals in exchange for work. 6. Travel insurance. Don't skip it. Invest in travel insurance for peace of mind. Look for affordable options that cover essentials. 7. Stay connected. Communication. Wi-Fi. Use free Wi-Fi in cafes and libraries instead of expensive data plans. Apps for communication. Use messaging apps to stay in touch without incurring extra costs. 8. Be resourceful. Leverage technology. Travel apps. Use apps for navigation, finding deals, and managing your itinerary. Budgeting apps. Keep track of expenses easily. Networking. Travel communities. Join travel forums or social media groups to get tips from other travelers. 9. Stay flexible. Embrace spontaneity. Sometimes the best experiences come from unplanned adventures. Be open to changing your plans if a great opportunity arises. 10. Travel light. Travel light. Packing wisely. Carry on only. Avoid checked baggage fees by packing light. Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Essential items. Bring travel-sized toiletries, a refillable water bottle, and any necessary electronics, like a portable charger. Laundry options. Laundry services. Look for hostels or accommodations with laundry facilities. DIY washing. Bring a small laundry bag and wash clothes in the sink if needed. 11. Take advantage of technology. Budget tools. Currency converter apps. Stay updated on exchange rates to avoid overpaying. Budgeting apps. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending in real time. Itinerary planning. Google Maps. Save maps offline to navigate without data. TripIt. Organize all your travel details in one place. 12. Explore like a local. Cultural immersion. Local events. Check community boards or local websites for free events, concerts, and festivals. Neighborhood exploration. Wander through residential neighborhoods to discover hidden gems and local favorites. Public transportation. Day passes. Look for unlimited ride passes on public transit, which can save money if you plan to travel frequently in a day. 13. Use loyalty programs, points and rewards, frequent flyer programs. Sign up for airline loyalty programs to earn points on flights and upgrades. Credit card rewards. Use travel credit cards that offer points or cashback on travel-related purchases. 14. Stay informed about local deals, coupons and discounts. Deal websites. Check websites like Groupon for discounts on local attractions, dining, and activities. Tourist information centers. Stop by local tourist centers for brochures and discounts. 15. Negotiate and be flexible. Bargaining, markets and street vendors. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices at markets. It's often expected. Stay flexible with plans. Being open to adjusting your itinerary can lead to unexpected savings.